Another fabulous find here, this time in Jumeirah Islands. We have got a 5-bedroom villa with a swimming pool, all fully built, rebuilt, re-renovated. So these are not the original villas from Nakheel of 15 years ago. And I absolutely love this property. So we're going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you, walking you through this magnificent property. Everything you see is included, all the furnishings, fittings, and it's done to the highest spec. And the property is fully automated, so you can change everything and control everything from your mobile phone, as you would expect in 2024. I know a lot of you looking at my videos and saying some of these properties are so old, Lucy. Well, here you go. I brought you something which you've all been asking for. And if you want to know more details, look in the description below. You'll have the size, the price, and of course how to contact me so we can come and bring you to your dream villa. So let's turn the camera around. Here is the front door, okay, and all the garden has been fully landscaped. You've got the garage here, and this is your front door, and you've got glass to look out. So as we walk through, you will see this as you walk in, and you've got the guest toilet on your right. Sorry to start with the toilet, but at least you see it. And then you've got a study here, home office, which I just absolutely love. Really simple, minimalist, and does exactly what you need it to do. And it's right by the front door, so should you have people visiting, it's not infringing too much on the family home. And now let's just check out, that is the family living room, open plan stairs going up, but let's check out bedroom 1 downstairs. So here we have it. So this is bedroom 5, if you like, and it goes straight out to the garden. We'll go and check out the garden in a minute. But beautiful cupboards, all fully inbuilt, all glass with lights inside. And you've also got cupboards. I'll show you that when we get to the master. And here is your ensuite bathroom. All the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms. You've got a walk-in shower. And I love these sinks here as well. So now let's come into the main part of the house, which is beautiful. It's very refreshing, minimalist, very light. And you've got a family living lounge off to the left. I mean, this could be your TV room, your kids' room, or what have you, but really, really nice. There is actually a door that will take you through to the back of the house, the garage, and all the domestic help. We'll check that out in 1 minute. But let's go back into the main house here. So this is your living area, straight out to the swimming pool, and then this gorgeous, all fully fitted kitchen. Love that worktop. You've got the oven there as well, and the cooker, and all the products here are Miele, and they're all built in, so everything is literally as you see it. You've got a wine cooler, a wine fridge as well, and I'm going to take you through the secret doors in just a second. And then here's your formal dining room, which is absolutely gorgeous, and you can see the whole house now, the living area. Now it is extremely bright out here. I'm just going to see if we just go out on here, and you can check out the swimming pool, the garden. You've got an outdoor sink here, so you can be doing entertaining here and cooking, barbecue. But that's your swimming pool there, and you've got the sunken seating area in the back, and then this is how the house looks from the back. So it's absolutely beautiful, really nicely presented. So let's go back in and let's go and check out the rest of the house. Now, for those of you watching who don't yet live in Dubai, you're wondering, how do you purchase a property if you don't have a bank account, if you don't have a visa? Never fear, that's exactly why I'm here to help you. So we can go through all of that together on the telephone, by Zoom, or of course in person if you are here. So I'm just giving you a good feel for the house as I go up the stairs here, so you can get a good idea. And there's the swimming pool. So right, let's head up to the 4 bedrooms upstairs. So you've got an upstairs family living area as well, and then all these bedrooms. This one has a nice balcony, looks over the garden, really spacious. Got a nice dressing area, built-in cupboards, and again, all built-in ensuite bathrooms. So we've seen 1 bedroom downstairs, 1 bedroom upstairs, and then we've got this bedroom here, which faces the front of the house. There you have it. So you get an idea. You've got a gardener there who is busy. And you can see Dubai Marina in the distance there. There's your vanity dresser, all your cupboards and your ensuite bathroom. Here is your lovely family living area. Bedroom 3, much larger this one. Again, facing onto the front of the house in the garden. And walk-in wardrobes and your bathroom here. Okay, so I've left, as you always know, the best till last, the master bedroom. So here's your family living area. Let's just check out the view. There we have it. There's your garden, there's your barbecue area. And here is the master bedroom. So there you have it. Really nice. And you've got lots of walk-in wardrobes now, so plenty of space. And you've got all this sort of built-in accessories, storage, cupboards. So it looks really stylish. Got cupboards, you've got lights inside the cupboards as well. And then you've got your shoe cupboards as well, so you can put your shoes and see them at an angle. And more cupboards, more storage, so for the men and the women. So I really love things like this. I think it's a nice little touch to the house. So this particular owner has really done justice to what people are looking for right now in a property. Look at that bath, isn't that amazing? Really, really stunning. Huge bath and a double sink. So there you have it. So this is your 5-bedroom villa here in Jumeirah Islands. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to walk you back down through the house because I want to show you another part of the house, which is where all the where your nanny would be if you have a chef or you want to sleep domestic workers for the house. I will show you the back part of the house. You also have a second kitchen. So some of you, we talk about a dirty kitchen, which is basically where you do this sort of stronger cooking if you don't want to smell out the lounge. And it's through this cupboard. There you go, right? Isn't that amazing? So the cupboard right there in the kitchen is actually a secret door. So here we have it. So it comes to the back of the house. Here's your second kitchen. You've got little storage in there. That goes back through to the family living area. You've got your laundry here. And like everything has been... Oh, I'm trying to open that and it doesn't. There we go. So you've got like little cupboards here. That goes to your double garage here. There we have it. And then this is one of the most spacious maid's rooms I have seen in Dubai. So it's really nicely done. Plenty of space here. I mean, you could potentially sleep 4 people. You could have two bunk beds. And then they've got a bathroom and a nice shower. And this comes out to the side of the house. So there we have it. There's the side of the house. And there we have it. Okay, so details on this property and my details, get in touch, subscribe to my channel, and I would love to bring you to see this villa. If you cannot get here to travel but you want this property, get in touch with me. We can make it happen. You don't even need to travel here because don't forget, in COVID we had so many clients that weren't able to travel and they were obviously making their purchases here in Dubai. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like it, put some comments, what you loved, what you think could be different. But this owner has put in the details that most people are looking for when they're renovating villas. So it's all been done for you. You've got the second lounge, you've got the family lounge, you've got the second kitchen, you've got the home office down there, and open plan, lots of space. And outside is exactly what people are doing these days. Everyone wants a barbecue and entertainment area with a swimming pool. It's all here and it's ready for you here in Jumeirah Islands. And of course, Jumeirah Islands is a fabulous location full of cafes. We've got great gyms here. We've got restaurants, licensed bars, pubs, and we are literally 2 minutes drive from the Sheikh Zayed Road. And the beach is just 8-minute drive, if that. So thank you for watching here in Jumeirah Islands. Take care.